Nonprofits, we know that fundraising is about building relationships, right? But what does fundraising and relationship building have to do with the civil rights movement? Thanks to a friend, award-winning author and retired police captain T.K. Thorne for providing lessons from the 1960s civil rights movement. Teresa recently described how an interracial group in Birmingham, Alabama called Friends in Action originated in the early 1960s. With intention, this group formed to address the then complaints of inequities and police brutality. Often, I wonder how much progress we have made. But listen to this. It was white and black women coming together to talk about these issues of inequities that without question advanced race relations in Birmingham. You see, during this time, it was not illegal to meet, but illegal to sit together. These women ignored the law and sat and met together anyway. In fact, they met in black women's home first because it was safer than in the white neighborhoods. When they came together, they got to know each other. They formed relationships, as people do when they talk with each other, Teresa emphasizes. That's probably the most important lesson for all times. It's about relationships. The women continued to meet in each other's homes and talk intently about the issues, and then they took action. Following the principle, it's all about relationships, the women went anywhere they could, sharing their personal stories of how it felt to be discriminated against. Something remarkable happened. People began to listen. People who they thought would never listen. As I listened to this story, I thought, there it is again. It's all about relationships. No question, this story resonates with me, most likely because of the unrest and continued injustices and pain in our country today. Also, it resonates with me because of the courageous women, black and white, first taking risk in meeting together, and second in forming bonds and friendships. That's powerful. Absolutely. Let's continue to recognize this year as the 100th anniversary of women's right to vote. This story also resonates with me for nonprofits. I'm Nancy Reeves, a fundraising coach. I offer nonprofit leaders a roadmap to raise money through major gifts. With my focus on helping nonprofits, there are many takeaway messages in this story for nonprofits. I want to share 3 lessons learned as it applies to the world of philanthropy. Number 1, knowing people's values and passions. Foremost, people are looking for a cause for which they are passionate about and can get behind. Causes that stir them. Maybe not issues for which they break the law or take huge risks, but causes donors believe in, get behind, and make large contributions. Number 2 is forming relationships. Without question, fundraising is about relationships. It's about forming a bond and a trust with people, just like these women did when they came together to address the injustices in the 1960s. Even today, with social distancing, we can still get to know people, their values, interests, and passions. In fact, if you are a connector of people and a collaborator, you will build trusted and rewarding relationships and turn annual donors into major donors. Number 3, last, fighting wrongs and making this world a better place. Clearly, every nonprofit exists for a reason. Whether your nonprofit brings quality music to your community, brings hope to the hopeless, or fights against wrongs, you are making this world a better place. Definitely, that's what lights up philanthropists. In summary, I can't help but take these lessons learned from the strong women who ignored the laws of injustice and acted in making a wrong a right. It doesn't surprise me that the avenue these women took to invoke change was based on the principles of forming relationships. Fundraising is just that, about trusted relationships. I hope you found this valuable. If so, please like it, share it, comment, tell others about it. Also, to receive the download of my free Major Gift Fundraising Plan template, simply 1, click here or go to fundraisingmaximize.com. 2, select Get Free Plan on the bright green button. And 3, download your free fundraising plan. Check it out. I look forward to seeing you next time.